Hi and welcome to our video on how to sew the seam pockets inside the volant of our 7121 Givy dress. First, you will sew together the main fabric pieces of your ruffles or volant. Place the right sides together. For the pocket openings, work a 13 centimeter long opening into each side. Starting 5 centimeters from the top edge, sew a seam, leave 13 centimeters open, and sew a seam down to the hem edge. Backstitch the seams well at the top and bottom of the opening. Press the seam allowances open. Top stitch a pocket bag to the seam allowance of the opening. The right sides of the fabric should be on top of each other. Fold the pocket bag over and press the seam. We would recommend understitching this edge now. That means sewing the seam allowance onto the pocket bag very near to the original seam line. Now sew the second rear pocket bag to the opposite seam allowance of the opening, right sides together. Understitch this line as well. Press both pocket bags into the front piece and sew the pocket bags together along the whole outer edge. Trim to the same size. Now finish the pocket bags with a zigzag stitch together by sewing along the seam allowance. And you are done!